Hey, grief is painful. There is no doubt. And if you are experiencing any kind of loss in your life, any kind of loss, and I mean from death to loss of physical abilities to a job to a friendship, it all brings the emotion of grief, and that energy must be released. I'm Tina Brigitini. I've been working with clients for over 25 years, helping them to release that grief from the physical body so that they can find a place of inner peace, so that the emotion isn't still sitting there, lodged in the physical body somewhere. How do you know that it's lodged in the physical body? Because when you talk about it, the emotion is as if it happened yesterday. Granted, we should be missing our loved ones. It's not easy. It's probably one of the hardest things to process in life, is to lose somebody that we truly care about. As time goes on and we are talking about the memories with that person, having a conversation about them and highlighting why they were so special to us shouldn't be really difficult. If it is, that's unhealed grief. And we want to get that to move in the physical body so that we can continue to move through life from a place of joy, always. Okay, many blessings. Tina Brigitini here.